Fuck these other guys, man. Kuulu ka tjaki, seisang loa.
Ako makakuha ka masul. Stop there.
Slow, lakwa ka, leppe oikoi, foi oika, ja, come on, you bitch. Slow, let's go.
It's the Oula Valley rap, fresh out the Mount Hunger. Strictly for these youngers talking about they from the gutter. Talks are being lip, but never spark like a funger. Busy trapping on these songs, but they never saw the gunner. Got lippy microphones, fire by all your speakers. Move with the bars, always coming off the meekers. Call on my usa, sipping bogies by the leapers. It's the Manu Samo, and we're here to kill them all, man.
Wow, overload comes off the lullaby, your brew and assassin. When I rap and clap your entire crew like you owe me due payment. Bitch, where's my money? Swamp area, IPL, we stay gunning with 100 Usos on deck. We in the street, that's what separates you from me. You're in the street, throwing the lies like I'm throwing Qurans. Bring them down to their knees, then I send them to God.
Ông quấy phây cực tiền ông mắc chú ấy hai là phải một cái nhìn. Oh, hey, move along phía bố.
ASAA will let the bully loose. Drink up and let the good times roll. La boa la licking and let chiquinos listen.
It smell like fish, but it tastes like chicken.
Oula Valley flow in a can of dope. A couple lines of Panadol and then we hit the road. Now back to the lecture at hand. Army field style, big Rex, caps and Fulu gang.
Monsters of puppets, bless your brains, think I was a funger. Shots to you, shots to your mouth, so far among her. We got the village mentality, fuck get a sucker. Vai il me ai kuka fa de lake and wamaka. Samo on hip hop worldwide is still my motto. See the force, Samo aso umma. Mobile all of the mga caps if I Upolo kuku with them no sanso so va isa for my so like oh my baby my fight que le kala le so my no muku fa no my oh why you get it see that paradise like you for ila o wake up fe ai give it mama o ma go music la mama me kuwa o we que pizza big if mama fa yo ma kai si la my o ma ko o ma sta
Jag filmar från lille. Det är så vilje. Yeah, hi, this is Tony, mate. Yeah, you say the couch is fitted, but fucking can't even get it in, mate.
My bad, it lay offy. Style so big that they try to duplicate her like burner fights, Afro comb and a fussy money. And if they wanna step, Fassioki. Out the jungle like the 91 Manu. Sipping on that fungu and he still never stumble. In the Siva dancing like your uncle. Then I side the Siva for that Royal Rumble.